what's under the cardboard. Is it worth it? And I'm going to show you some stuff that was grass and show you what it looks like now. And you can decide for yourself. So let's go. I'm also going to put a little more work into my little hugelkultur mound and probably bring it along this way as well. So here's what the garden looks like now. Wherever there is not cardboard, there are weeds. All the green you see in here is weeds. Except over there, there are some strawberries. So let's see what's under here. Okay, so let's pull this back. You ready to see what's under here? Oh, I see a worm in there. Alright, so we've got hay and leaves here. This was grass right here before.
Hey, Mommy, is tomorrow school?
Yeah, tomorrow you go back to school. There's a lot of grass. Oh, here's another layer of cardboard here. Wow. I'm actually quite impressed myself. I've impressed myself. Wow. There's worms. All right, let's get a closer look. So, yep, there's little worms all over in here. So the worms are happy. Let's look at the soil. Nice and loose. This was grass. This was just grass, and now you can't even tell that it was grass. It's ready to plant. It's amazing, and it's nice and loose. You can tell the worms have been doing their work. Oh yeah, see here you can see where there's still the grass, but it's pretty much done. It's pretty dead. Pretty smothered.
Who are you talking to?
Talking to the camera.
Oh, I can see. I thought you were holding it.
So yeah, the closer I get to the grass, the more I can see where the grass roots are. But yeah, this is really ready to go. So I would just take all of this stuff that I took off and move it over to start the next part of the grass. So this area is the low side of the garden. It definitely lower down here. But this was a rug and there's cardboard underneath. So let's see what it looks like under here. And this was grass. Somebody's stealing my worms here. Ah! That one got away. There's a bunch of them.
Yeah, I bet.
The first time I do this, I come through and I do this to the grass weeds that are still there to kind of get them loose so they can dry out, and then you can get rid of them. But you're always going to have weeds. You're always going to have grass trying to come back because the roots are still there. So if you mulch around it, the grass won't come back. But you can't just leave bare soil because it'll just come right back and it'll be back to a lawn in no time. Which is why I always tell my husband, don't worry, after we're done using this as a garden, it'll turn right back into grass. She's playing with worms, and as I pull this off, I'm just extending the garden. So I'm gonna open up the strawberry patch. I've already got a flower on one of these strawberries right here.